Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Fortnite application hang detected error. Let's fix it guys. Method on you just need to go to search menu and type run. Click on open it. In run window you just need to type a percentage local app data percentage again. Click on OK. Now find Fortnite game folder. Double click on it. Saved folder. Right click on the config folder and select delete it. After deleting this folder, just close stuff here. Now you just need to open up Epic Games, click on the three dot icon next to Fortnite and select manage and select verify files option. After getting verified, and you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2, you just need to update the graphics driver. To do this, for NVIDIA users to open the GeForce Experience, if you not have GeForce Experience installed on your PC, then check my video description for the download link. For AMD users, use the AMD write-down software. Select the drivers tab and select check for updates. If you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your graphics card up to date, guys. After updating your graphics card, you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 4, you just need to uninstall and reinstall Fortnite. To do this, click on the three dot icon next to Fortnite and scroll down and select uninstall. After uninstalling it, reinstall the Fortnite. It should fix the problem. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.